VISKOU.
Hi everyone, welcome to VISKOU channel. Today I am going to show on how to configure SON, which is known as Self-Organizing Network on Ruijie Cloud app. So as we can see on the table, I have already formed a typical networking system which consists of Reyee router, Reyee switch, and Reyee wireless access point. So next, let us show on how to configure the SON on Reyee Cloud app.
So first of all, we have to download the Reyee Cloud app. After that, open the software. Then under the project part, we can create a new project and click on the yes connect to Wi-Fi. First of all, we have to power on all the devices and wait for 3 minutes. So after that, click on the start button. So we have to connect to the Wi-Fi starting with 3J-M. And the 4-digit of S is the MAC address of the Reyee router. So let us connect to the Wi-Fi. So as in the Wi-Fi option, we can see that there is a Ruijie-M 6512, and this 6512 is the MAC address of the Reyee router. So let us connect to this Wi-Fi. Then it will automatically generating the topology of the networking system of Ruijie and Reyee. So as we can see that we have already successfully performed the SON, which 3 devices has been detected in the networking system. So after press the start config, we can create a new project name for this new project, and we can also input the management password. And we can simply put a scenario which is such as office. Then click on next. We can change the country and region to Singapore. After that, we can change the open Wi-Fi into the encrypted Wi-Fi. So let us create one Wi-Fi with encrypted and click on save. So the system is configuring Wi-Fi, device and network. So this has shown that the system has already succeeded in delivering the configuration. So let us connect it to the Wi-Fi. So this is the end of the process of SON. As we can see that we have already successfully created a new project, and we are able to see the topology of the system through the SON, which is known as the self-organizing network. So this is the overall process of the SON. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
VISKOU.